Good afternoon, WestCon. I'm student meteorologist Zachary Duhaime with the forecast update for the first Wednesday of the month. It's also the last forecast of the semester for me. And the good news is, if you like winter, I have plenty of winter in this forecast. No 60s like we saw yesterday, but some 30s and 40s, which we should be seeing this time of year. That colder push air came through with the cold front, seeing some breaks in the clouds, but overall expect mainly cloudy skies today. Temperatures only in the 30s versus near 60 degrees that we saw yesterday on Tuesday. And that major pattern change is going to stick around for a while. So if you like that winter weather, you're in good shape because we have lots of cold coming through. But the chance of snow, that's the question. We had the cold. Will we get the snow? I want to touch upon that later on in my forecast. Current satellite does show that push of clouds back to the south and east. So the main batch of clouds has headed off the coast, which is good for us, but still some lingering clouds back toward the west. So definitely expect partly to mostly cloudy skies throughout the rest of the day. Cool again, temperatures only in the mid to upper 30s. So definitely that raw winter chill out there. Radar does show that rain that did pass through overnight well offshore. This actually back to our north and west over the Great Lakes. That's lake effect snow just getting cranky, and I expect more lake effect snow over the next several weeks with a lot of cold air working in. You have cold air, warm lakes, that's how you get your lake effect snow. So we'll be cranking over the coming weeks here in New England as well. Temperatures on Friday, definitely on the cool side, only around 40 degrees for a high around the Danbury area. Upper 30s, mid to upper 30s just to the north. So definitely a winter chill in the air. And this is with the pattern change I mentioned. If the jet stream pick away, a dip way to the south is going to linger for the next probably 8 to 9, 10 days, maybe even longer. And this is going to bring the cold. I put a question mark though, it's stormy. We have several chances for some storminess, but the question is, do they produce enough snow around here, or will it actually get close enough to bring us anything? That's the question that we're trying to fine tune here with the weather team. The first chance for snow looks to be Saturday. We had this storm just offshore, but looks to be just enough offshore to pretty much give us not much in the way of snowfall. But if this happens to track a little bit closer, which a few models do indicate, we could be talking about a period of light snow late Saturday evening to early Saturday, or early Sunday morning, I should say. Could put down a few inches. Most models have nothing, but you never know with this scenario. So definitely stay tuned for your latest forecast updates. One of the models that shows more snow than the others do indicate a period of light to moderate snow late Saturday evening to early Sunday morning. Could put down a few inches, but again, some models have just flurries, so we'll have to fine tune this forecast as we head over the next few days with the latest updates here at the WestCon weather team. And then by Monday, it gets much colder temperatures, highs only in the mid to upper 30s. So again, very cold air mass coming in. This is going to last for probably several, maybe weeks potentially. So if you like that cold, you're going to be in good shape, especially as we head into the holiday week in just a couple of weeks. Tonight's forecast on the cold side, only mid to upper 20s, west wind 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tomorrow's forecast, better than today, a lot more sun. Still cool though, only around 40 degrees, so definitely need a heavier coat if you're going to work outside, or especially getting out to doing the morning activities. And your last 5-day forecast for me of the semester, definitely a winter-like forecast. Temperatures in the 40s for highs and upper 30s, teens and 20s for lows. Again, chance of light snow Saturday night to maybe early Sunday, or snow flurries at some point. And Sunday, I think we still see some snow flurries either way, regardless of what happens with that Saturday system. So overall, definitely a wintry look as we head into finals week 2017. I'm student meteorologist Zachary Duhaime. Have a great rest of your holiday week.